Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best chainmail rings is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your collection, offering a unique blend of historical inspiration and modern fashion that appeals to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Whether you're Number 5. Mr. Pen Open Jump Rings and Lobster Clasps. Introducing a comprehensive set designed for all your jewelry making needs. It includes a generous supply of jump rings in various sizes, along with convenient lobster clasps. Everything comes neatly packed in a durable plastic case. This ensures easy storage and quick access to the components you need, when you need them. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy and iron metal, these components are built to last. They are sturdy, lightweight, and resistant to fading or breaking, offering reliable performance. Easily bring your creative visions to life. Use them to craft beautiful necklaces, bracelets, anklets, and more with unparalleled simplicity. Experience a smoother jewelry making process. Their polished surfaces allow you to create exquisite pieces with ease, perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. These connectors are perfect for a wide range of DIY crafts, from bracelets and earrings to keychains and repairs. They are ideal for any jewelry DIY project. What we like? This option comes with both jump rings and lobster clasps, plus multiple sizes for versatility. If you are looking for a complete starter kit for basic jewelry repairs and creations, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners and DIY enthusiasts who want everything in one convenient package. What people say? Very sturdy and worth the price. Also love that there are different sizes. It's very convenient. Very durable, high-quality jump rings of various organized sizes. Thoughtful divider case. These are pretty good. They're easy to apply since aren't hard to open and close but stay close when attached. They haven't tarnished as of writing this, so that's a plus, and I love the variety of sizes. Number 4. KISSITTY 10mm Stainless Steel Jump Rings. Introducing the KISSITTY 10mm Stainless Steel Open Jump Rings. These durable connectors are perfect for all your jewelry making needs. With an outside diameter of 10 mm and a thickness of 1 mm, these rings are the ideal size for intricate designs and secure connections. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, they are built to last. You can rely on their strength and durability for any project. These jump rings are resistant to rust, oxidation, and discoloration. They maintain their appearance over time, ensuring your creations look great. Use them for connecting clasps on necklaces, creating dangling earrings, or any other crafting job. Their versatility makes them a must-have. Each bag contains 2,000 pieces, providing you with an ample supply for multiple projects. Get started on your next masterpiece today. What we like? Made from high-quality stainless steel, these rings are built for durability and resistance to rust and discoloration. If you need a large quantity of sturdy rings for chainmail designs or connecting jewelry components that will last, this is the ideal selection. They are perfect for crafting projects where longevity is key. What people say? Excellent quality and extremely durable. All of them close nicely and are entirely uniform, which I knew would be crucial as I progressed. No tarnish whatsoever, and the size is perfect for the craft. Easy to open and they stay closed. The stainless is the best. Pretty thick, not flimsy. Glad they are sorted by size. These are very sturdy and lots of options for sizing, all at a great price. Number 3. Chainmail Joe 1 2-pound Stormy Gray Anodized Aluminum Jump Rings. Discover the quality of our anodized aluminum jump rings, perfect for your jewelry or mail armor projects. Experience the difference that precise craftsmanship makes. These rings come in a beautiful stormy gray color and are 18 gauge. The 3/16-inch inside diameter offers great flexibility for your designs. Each ring is meticulously saw-cut for extreme precision. This ensures a clean closure and a professional finish for all your creations. You'll receive over 4,000 rings in each half-pound bag, carefully measured by weight. We always add a few extra to account for any potential manufacturing variations. While the color may slightly vary between batches, the quality remains consistent. It's best to order all you need at once for large projects to ensure color uniformity. What we like. These anodized aluminum rings are saw-cut for precision and come in a substantial half-pound bag, offering over 4,000 rings. If you're working on larger projects like mail armor or intricate jewelry and need a high volume of quality rings, this is your go-to. The anodized finish ensures a vibrant, lasting color. What people say. The jump rings are great, they're sturdy, and the colors look awesome. These rings arrived as expected, well protected by 2 layers of bags, the inner bag taped shut. The colors are vibrant and accurate to the pictures in the images, and they're consistently made and sturdy. Been ordering these rings for 4 or 5 years. Chainmail Joe anodized rings are a kind of semi-matte, which I especially love for their gold color. The quality of their rings far exceeds that of their competitor that I order from to get glossy finish anodized rings. Rings close seamlessly, nearly every single time. Never received a bad batch. Very few broken rings. Consistent color every batch over years. Really excellent quality, and love that 14G is now available. Number 2. Mandala Crafts 20mm Silver Tone Jump Rings Kit. Craft with ease using these lightweight and durable aluminum jump rings. They are designed to be flake-free, tarnish-resistant, and safe for sensitive skin, being lead and nickel-free. These open jump rings are ideal for various crafting projects. Use them for weaving intricate cosplay costumes, creating metal mail ties, or adding scales to armor. They are perfect for constructing scale mail armor, hauberks, vests, and even historical attire like medieval or Renaissance outfits. You can also use them for collars and ornaments. These rings are designed for convenience, easily opening and closing with your hands or pliers. They won't make noise or leave dust, and they resist discoloration. Beyond chainmail, these versatile rings are excellent for DIY jewelry making. Use them as stitch markers, findings for charms, chokers, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. This kit provides approximately 500 large, 20mm silver tone jump rings. With a 14-gauge wire and an aspect ratio of 10.5, they offer great versatility for all your weaving needs. What we like. These lightweight, tarnish-resistant anodized aluminum rings are saw-cut for smooth closure and are excellent for a wide range of applications, from cosplay costumes to intricate jewelry. If you need rings that are easy to work with, won't flake, and are suitable for both detailed crafts and larger armor pieces, these are a fantastic option. Their versatility makes them great for many different projects. What people say. I bought these Mandala Crafts jump rings as 16-gauge AWG, 7mm outside diameter, 4.6mm ID. You get a lot of rings, and they are very definitely bright. The color is quite lovely, and the anodized coating seems pretty durable thus far. They're very easy to bend and scratch since they're made of aluminum, but they are a great size. Was hard to find larger rings, and the copper color is exactly what I need. I absolutely love these jump rings. They are easy to use, and easy to close. Number 1. Pandahall 4 to 10mm Iron Open Jump Rings. Discover the perfect solution for your jewelry crafting needs. These versatile components come in 6 different sizes, ranging from 4mm to 10mm, ensuring you have the right fit for any project. Crafted from high-quality iron, these jump rings are built to last. You can rely on their durability for all your family's jewelry-making endeavors, promising lifelong use. As a fundamental element in jewelry creation, these jump rings are indispensable. They are ideal for connecting various components and bringing your designs to life. Achieve professional-looking jewelry with ease and affordability. These are excellent for suspending items from necklaces, bracelets, and anklets, adding a touch of elegance. Keep your small jewelry-making items organized with the included plastic box. This convenient set ensures easy storage and accessibility for all your jump rings. What we like. Offering a range of sizes in durable iron, these jump rings provide an affordable way to achieve professional-looking jewelry. If you need a variety of basic jump rings for everyday jewelry making, repairs, or experimenting with different designs without a high cost, this set is perfect. They are excellent for suspending various items and creating delicate pieces. What people say. Excellent product. Works great for what I needed it for. Just about every size jump ring a jewelry would need and very easy to travel with. Good quality jump rings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.